Hello everybody, Steven Jonder here from Gonna Geek and from Better Podcasting, here with another unboxing. This time we're unboxing the Rodecaster Pro. This is a new product out from Rode, and it will be very interesting to see how this can play into a podcaster's day. Oh, I just made that up on the fly. Wow, that's the type of unboxing you're in for today. All right, so before we actually open it up, let's have a look at the sides. So you have the Rodecaster Pro, record to micro SD for high quality mic inputs, instant jingle playback, touchscreen, and a echo free connection. On the other side, you got more information. On the back, there's all of your product details. I'll hold that still, so if you need to read any of that, you can go ahead and pause right now. All right, moving on. You have just nothing on this side. So let's go ahead and get into it. We'll start off by slicing this open, or attempting to. Then, there we go. All right. So, right off at the start here, you can see there is a piece of cardboard with a picture of the Rodcaster Pro. Okay, I gotta say right away, I like that. I like opening it up. You see your product, even though it's not your product. I like that. Just where's my sticker? Haha. All right, and then here we have more information. Actually, we should double check the back. Oh, there is stuff on the back. There you go. So it talks about getting the latest version, and it talks about how you can hook that up to your computer. And again, I'll hold that there very, very, very still so that you can see that. Try to hold it still. There you go. Go ahead, pause, do whatever you want. And then there are more information on here. There's more details about how to use it all. And another one. So they definitely give you a lot of information. And again, I'll just try to hold that up here. So if you need to read any of that, you can. There you go. And on the back, there you go. A lot of information, obviously different languages, but I'll read that at a later date. I'll actually just slide those right out of the way here. So next we have a foam protection piece, and they're pretty good. All right, move that out of the way. And there is the Rodcaster Pro itself. So as I lift this up here, I got to tell you that it's got more weight to it than I would have thought, actually. From the pictures and whatnot, being digital, I thought it would probably weigh a little bit less, but got more weight to it, which is not a bad thing. Not a bad thing at all. Before we actually open that all up, I'll save that for a minute. Let's look at what's inside the case. So you've got the power cable. All right, so power cable, we'll throw that up there. Then you have in here, first off, appears to be a USB cable. That's awesome. Then you have the power adapter. There's the power adapter itself. And then in here is something to do with those, I'm guessing. We'll find out at a later date, I suppose. Probably was on those instructions that I put aside. All right, I'll move that right out of the way. Underneath, it doesn't appear there is anything else. So let's move this box right out of the way and get to the Rodcaster itself. All right, so go ahead and slide this on out of the plastic. And here you go. So you can see, I don't know what that all is there, all that muck. And it looks like it'll just wipe off, but that's interesting. So you can see something all on that side. I'll take a very, very damp something to it. Cleaner. Try it. And you've got your buttons there. And of course your headphone. Look, all headphones are different. To ensure safe operation, the maximum volume of headphone output has been limited. You can turn off the headphone limiting function on hardware advanced menu, or in the hardware advanced menu. Oh, there's stuff there too. That's interesting. I'm down here. Look at that. Okay, that's... Huh. I'll just go ahead and say, huh. That's odd. Okay. Anyways, we'll just keep looking here. So you can see down at the bottom here. Not sure what that is. And then on the back, this is the part you would probably care about. Look, everywhere. That's weird. So weird. On the back, there you go. You got your power, which is not a physical toggle. Looks like that's a soft toggle, which is okay by me. You got your power, your USB, which looks to be USB-C, your micro SD. Micro SD. Aha. I'll have to get a micro SD card. I have several SDs, but lacking in the micro SD department. Got the left and right out. There's your headphones, and then your inputs, or your mic inputs, and also your phone. So there you go. That's the unboxing of the Rodecaster Pro. I don't think there's much else to say about it other than I need to give it a test and see how it all works. You know what we'll do? We'll end on a fade. All right, wait, fade out.